Hi, in this session we want to simulate the day and night cycling. There are many ways that you can do that. You can use post-processing, or here as an example you see that we only try to animate the directional light, and that is very easy. And we can even change the intensity and the color according to the time of the day. So first thing is that you need the directional light if you don't have this. But there is one problem. Even if you disable the directional light, you see that there are still some light, and that is because of the ambient light. So we go to Windows, Rendering, Lighting, and in environmental light, try to change that from skybox to color, and then select a very deep, very dark color, so that when there is no light, then it would be pitch black. Make an animation for that. So that is something between 0 and 360. And we can also change the color. For example, in the morning, there is some, yellow light. And then in the evening or when it is night, the color changes. And as you can see, there is some delay in the animation. So we go to the curves and we can manually make it pointy. We can also change the intensity of the light. For example, when it is afternoon, the intensity of the light is much higher compared to other times of the day. And of course, this animation is very fast. We can change that by going to Animator and then change the value of the speed. When you try to decrease the amount, the slower the animation would be played. Now I add a fire here, and you can see that when it is pitch black, you kind of need the torches or the fire to illuminate your path in the game, like any ordinary game.